Hello everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Maddie. I'm a K-5 STEM teacher and ed tech coach in Los Angeles. I post weekly tech tutorials for teachers, and today's video is going to be about how to give quick and meaningful feedback using Mote. Mote is a Google Chrome extension that allows you to give verbal feedback to students. Mote syncs perfectly with Google Classroom, Google Docs, Google Slides. And what's really great about Mote and what's really great about verbal feedback is that something that I've noticed while grading digital assignments is that it can take a lot of time to actually type out comments for every single student. So Mote makes it really nice and easy for you to give verbal feedback to your students. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Mote. It's quick, it's simple, it's easy. And so without further ado, let's get started. Mote is a Google Chrome extension. So the very first step for us is to go to justmote.me so that we can actually download Mote and add it to Google Chrome. So I'm on the website here and I'm just going to click on this big purple button that says Add to Chrome. And you'll see that I've been redirected to the Chrome Web Store. So I'll just now click on this blue button that says Add to Chrome. I'll click Add Extension. And you'll see that it's been added to Chrome. Super simple, super easy. What we can do is we can actually check out our settings here. So by the way, on this web page that it's redirected us to, it does have some directions down here, but we're not really gonna spend too much time looking at this because I'm actually just gonna walk you through how you can use the tool. So what I'll do is I will click on the extension. I'm going to click yes here to allow it to be used on other apps. I'll click allow. And so now we'll just go back and reopen. And I'm just going to point out a couple of features here. So I want to make sure that this button is checked on because we want the extension to be enabled so that we can use it. Under settings and help here too, you do have the option to turn this button on if you think it would be helpful for you. It says enable voice transcription. So I'll just turn that on. And we're ready to go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through how to use the tool. We're all set up. It was very quick and easy to get this set up, and it's just as quick and easy for us to use the tool as well. So now I'm going to walk you through how you can actually give feedback to your students using Mote. So far we've gone through how to add the Chrome extension, how to make sure your settings are ready to go, and now what we're going to do is we're going to actually leave a comment. So pretend that this Google Doc here is something that a student has shared with me. It's their assignment and I want to provide them with feedback. All you have to do is just highlight the area that you want to comment on, just like leaving a normal comment. You'll go to Insert, Comment, and you'll see that my Mote extension here has been updated and enabled for me. So what I will do is I will click on this button here and I will begin giving my verbal feedback. You can leave voice notes for students in Google Docs, Slides, and Classroom. So now, when I press the comment button, students will actually be able to press this play button to hear my comment back to them. So for example, if I click it, you can leave voice notes for students in Google Docs, Slides, and Classroom. So it's super easy, it's super simple, and a great way to provide students with quick and meaningful verbal feedback. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I post weekly tech tutorials for teachers, and I'll see you back here soon. Bye, friends.